My dear friends and all my dear viewers, I welcome you all in this video tutorial. Friends, you know the meaning and the process of communication. Friends, in this video tutorial, I am going to take a review of importance, significance of communication. You might be knowing that the desire to socialize and get formed into organized groups necessitates the need for communication. And friends, in the fast changing world of today, whenever there is change in technology, structure, or people, managers communicate these changes to their subordinates. Now, if the communication system is well organized, so it becomes very easier for all subordinates to act upon the message or to understand and act upon the prime goal or objectives. Friends, you know, communication plays an important role in the lives of individuals and organizations. So here in this tutorial I am going to take a review of certain points. Those points will try to show the importance of communication. So friends, let's see. Friends, in this tutorial we are going to have a look of importance of communication. The desire to socialize and get formed into organized groups necessitates the need for communication. In the fast changing world of today, whenever there is change in technology, structure, or people, managers communicate these changes to their subordinates. If the communication system is well organized, it becomes easier for subordinates to understand and act upon the message. Communication plays important role in the lives of individuals and organizations. So here we are going to highlight some points. Those points tries to focus on the importance of communication. So have a look. Friends, the first point is basis for planning. Planning is the basic function of management. If plans are well designed and communicated for their implementation, it leads to organizational success. It requires extensive environmental scanning and information about internal and external organization elements. An effective system of communication helps in obtaining this information. Implementing the plans requires communicating them to everybody in the organization. Communication is thus the basis of planning. The next one, motivation to work. How it is important. Employees are motivated to work hard if their needs are satisfied. Communication helps managers know need of their employees so that they can adapt suitable motivators and inspire them to develop a positive attitude towards the work environment. The next one, job satisfaction. Exchange of information develops trust, confidence, and faith amongst managers and subordinates. They understand their job positions better and thus perform better. This promotes high degree of job satisfaction. Then commitment to organizational objectives. An organization whose managers understand employees' needs, adopt suitable motivators to satisfy them, appraise their performance and provide them regular feedback, follow an effective system of communication. The employees also work with commitment towards organizational objectives. Then one more aspect is coordination. Communication coordinates organizational resources, human and non-human, individual goals with organizational goals, and organization's internal environment with external environment. Coordination is the key to organizational success, and communication is an active contributor to coordination. Then adaptability to external environment. In order to survive in the changing dynamic environment, managers need to continuously interact with external parties like government, suppliers, customers, etc. This requires effective communication system in the organization. Now, the next one, internal functioning of an enterprise. Why communication is so much significant, important to internal functioning of any firm. Managers interact with various parties internal to business enterprises. They constantly obtain and provide information to them. More effective the communication system, more accurate will be the information. It promotes healthy industrial relations, smooth relations. Satisfied workers contribute to healthy organizations. Communication brings managers and trade unions closer, develops mutual understanding amongst them, and promotes industrial peace and harmony. This increases industrial production. It helps managers in performing their roles and their tasks and their assignments. According to Henry Mintzberg, managers perform three major roles: interpersonal, informational, and decisional. Communication helps managers in performing these roles effectively. In interpersonal roles, managers interact with superiors, peers, and subordinates. In informational roles, they receive and give information to people inside and outside the organization. And in decisional roles, they take important decisions and communicate them to organizational members for their effective implementation. Then it facilitates leadership. See how communication is important in business world as well as in social world. Effective leaders interact with followers, guide and inspire them to perform their individual and organizational goals. Effective communication process facilitates leaders to carry out the leadership functions. And now the last two aspects that highlights the importance of communication are: it facilitates control. Planning is meaningless unless accompanied by an effective control system. Control is possible when managers assess subordinates' performance, correct and prevent deviations, and provide them regular feedback of performance. Control function largely depends upon communication system of the organization. How effectively managers control organizational activities depends upon how effective is the communication system. And then the last, how it is important in terms of training and development of the organization. Imparting training and development facilities to employees depends upon how well their superiors communicate with them. Trainers having good communication skills are better than those who have poor communication skills. So friends, this is how communication is important, taking into mind these certain points.